Hi guys, so today we're going to present about reporting speech and reporting verbs. My name is Brigitta, Yolanda, and I'm number 5.
I'm Wijaya, I'm number 18.
Christian, I am number 30.
I'm Terryna Pramesthi, number 32.
Reported speech is a reported or indirect speech. Is usually used to talk about the past, so we normally change the tense of the words spoken. We use reporting verbs such as say, tell, ask, and we may use the word that to introduce the reported words. First, we're going to talk about reported speech in simple present. Simple present will normally change to past simple in terms of reported speech. For example, the direct speech given is she said I have my lunch at the canteen, and that is a simple present. And the reported speech form is she said that she had her lunch at the canteen.
Now we're talking about reported speech in present continuous. In present continuous, tense will be changed into past continuous tense in terms of reported speech. For example, in direct speech, Adam said, I'm doing my homework. That's present continuous. And then Adam said that he was doing his homework. That's past continuous.
Speech in past simple. Past simple changes into past perfect in reported speech term. Direct speech, mom. Example, mom asks, did you fall from your bike? That is past simple. Reported speech example is, mom asked if I had fallen from my bike.
Reporting verbs are the verbs that are commonly used when using reported speech. Following are the examples of the verbs.
There is the fourth example verbs is advice, and the formation is advice plus someone plus to plus verb. And the example, my doctor advised me to eat more. And the fifth example verb is apologize. The formation is apologize plus to someone plus for plus verb in. And the example, he apologized to me for forgetting to buy a pen. And the sixth example verb is decide. The formation is decide plus to plus infinitive. And the example, I decided to go by myself.
7 example verbs is promise. Promise information is promise plus to plus infinitive. The example is, mom promised to cook pasta for dinner, and the formation is promise plus someone plus that plus clause. The example is, I promised my teacher I will study harder. The 8th verbs is recommend. The formation is recommend plus verb in. The example is, she recommends going to a psychologist. The formula is recommend plus that plus clause. The example is, my tour guide recommended this restaurant for us. Next is the 9th example verbs is remind. The formation is remind plus someone plus to plus infinitive. The example is, he reminded us to take his pencils. The formation next is remind plus someone plus that plus clause. An example is, they reminded Jono that there is a competition today.
Explain. The formation is explain plus that plus clause. The example is, Hotman explained that the law was changed. The next formation is explain plus noun plus to plus someone. The example is, he explained algebra to the student. 11. Encourage. The formation is encourage plus someone plus to plus infinitive. The example is he encouraged me to take the drug again, and the governor encouraged the farmers to plow the farm. 12. Suggest. The formation is suggest plus verb in. The example is she suggests driving on high speed.